history and culture. Nomad camp beneath the open sky. In the endless plains of ancient lands, under a breathtaking open sky, the Nomad family set up their tent city. As the golden sun dipped low, the children ran about, giggling as they pitched tents, their laughter echoing across the grassland. As the day turned to night, the family gathered by the flickering campfire. Their faces glowed with warmth from the fire and laughter as they shared stories of their adventures through the plains. The children learned about the constellations that guided them through the endless expanse. Ow! Early the next morning, the air filled with the mouth-watering aroma of freshly cooked food. The nomads shared their catch from the river, fresh fish sizzling on an open fire, alongside plump, roasted vegetables, the colors vibrant and inviting. As the green grasses began to brown, it was time for the nomads to move on. The children helped pack up the tents, excited about the journey ahead and the adventures that awaited them in new lands. With tents packed and provisions gathered, the family mounted their horses and set off in pursuit of the migrating herd. The children shouted with excitement, their laughter carried by the wind, as they rode into the horizon. Upon reaching their destination, the family joined the other nomad families in a grand celebration. Hey-oh! The air was alive with laughter and music, the children dancing around the flickering campfires under the starlit sky. As the night grew darker, the children were tucked into their tents. The soft glow of the campfire flickered outside as the mother told her little one a bedtime story, a tale of adventure and love. As the sun peeked over the horizon, the nomads began their day tending to the migrating herd. The children worked alongside their parents, learning valuable skills and forging bonds with their family and friends. At night, the family gathered once more by the campfire, the air filled with stories from generations past. The children listened in awe as their elders shared tales of adventure, love, and wisdom. As the days turned into weeks, the children learned valuable skills from their ancestors. They learned to track the migrating herd, a skill that had been passed down for generations. With their newfound knowledge and skills, the nomads marveled at the beauty around them. They stood together on the edge of a cliff, watching as the sun dipped below the horizon, leaving behind a stunning display of colors. As the sun set and the stars came out, the children looked up in wonder at the cosmos above them. They felt a sense of unity with their family and friends, knowing that together they would continue this incredible journey across the plains.